Pain can hit at the most inconvenient times: headaches, muscle aches, or even emotional stress. But what if I told you a single ice cube could provide relief in minutes? In today's video, I'm sharing a powerful ice cube pain hack that's easy, effective, and backed by science. Stick around to learn how you can use this simple trick to feel better fast. If you're excited to discover natural remedies, give this video a thumbs up and hit that subscribe button for more life-changing health tips. You might think an ice cube is just for cooling drinks, but it can be a powerful tool for pain relief. This hack is based on the principle of acupressure, a technique that stimulates specific pressure points on the body to reduce discomfort. The best part? It's non-invasive, free, and works in under 5 minutes. Share this video with someone who needs a quick and natural pain remedy. Here's how it works. You'll apply the ice cube to a specific pressure point on your hand known as the Hoku point. This spot, located between your thumb and index finger, is known for relieving tension and pain, especially headaches. Cold temperature enhances the effect by numbing pain receptors and calming nerve activity. Follow these steps to try the ice cube hack. Grab a clean ice cube. Wrap it in a thin cloth if it's too cold to hold directly. Locate the Hoku point. It's in the webbing between your thumb and index finger. Press the ice cube firmly onto the spot for about 1 to 2 minutes, applying gentle circular pressure. Repeat on the other hand if needed. This technique not only helps with physical pain, but can also relieve stress and boost relaxation. If you're trying this hack as you watch, let us know in the comments how it's working for you. The ice cube pain hack isn't just for headaches. It can also help with reducing tension in your jaw or temples, alleviating cramps and minor muscle aches, and managing stress or anxiety during high-pressure moments. This makes it a versatile tool you can use anytime, anywhere. If you've experienced relief using acupressure before, share your story in the comments. This hack combines two powerful pain relief methods: acupressure, stimulating the Hoku point releases endorphins and reduces stress signals in the brain. Cryotherapy. The cold ice cube reduces inflammation and numbs pain receptors, offering immediate relief. Together, they create a synergistic effect that makes this hack highly effective. If you're curious about the science behind natural remedies, subscribe to our channel for more deep dives into these topics. Some viewers might wonder, what if it doesn't work for me? While this hack works for most people, results can vary. Consistency is key. Try it a few times before deciding. Also, avoid applying ice directly to the skin for too long to prevent discomfort or frostbite. And that's it, the ice cube pain hack you need to know. This simple yet effective technique can help you tackle pain naturally and improve your quality of life. If you found this helpful, please like this video, share it with someone who could benefit, and subscribe for more health and wellness tips. Thanks for watching, and let us know in the comments which natural remedies you'd like us to cover next.